Hello, 5th graders. Welcome to Lesson 8.5, Interpret Division with Fractions. Please pause to write the lesson number and title in your notebook. The objective for today's lesson is to represent division by drawing diagrams and writing story problems and equations. Please pause to write the lesson objective in your notebook. All right, 5th graders, let's begin with the unlock the problem. Elizabeth has 6 cups of raisins. She divides the raisins into 1/4 cup servings. How many servings does she have? Well, I know how many 1/4 cups are in 1 cup. Well, that would be 4 fourths. That would give me 1 whole cup. And how many cups does Elizabeth have? She has 6 whole cups. Step 1 says let's use a diagram to solve. So let's draw her 6 cups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to be dividing by 1/4. So we're going to split each rectangle into 4. Okay, now we're going to find 6 divided by 1/4 and count the total number of fourths that there are. So let's count first. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We have 24 fourths, 24 groups of 1/4. So let's put this in numbers. 6 divided by 1/4 equals 24. Elizabeth has 24 servings. Let's use the keep, change, flip to use this method as well. So we keep 6, we change our operation, then we flip 1/4 upside down, so we have 4/1. Then we multiply. 6 times 4 is 24. Which gets us the same number. Great job. Let's try example 1. Example 1 says 4 friends share 1 gallon of juice. What fraction of juice will each friend get? So they drew one big rectangle to represent my 1 gallon of juice. Then I split that into groups of 4. So you can see here I have 1/4 of the gallon of juice. And 4 friends are going to split that gallon of juice. That is why we have split each piece into 4. Because those friends are going to share the 1/4 that's still in the bottle, and they're going to share it. So first off, let's write an equation. We have 1/4 divided by 4 friends. 1/4 divided by 4 friends is going to equal how many each friend gets. So let's practice our keep, change, flip. So we're going to keep 1/4, change our operation, and then flip 4 upside down gives us 1/4. If we multiply 1/4 times 1/4, then we're going to get our answer of n. 1 times 1 is 1, and 4 times 4 is 16. So each friend will get, they colored it in for us, 1 piece out of 16. Each friend will get 1/16. Example 2 has us write our own story problem and then draw a diagram to solve. It says that we're going to divide 4 things into 1/3. First, it says choose the item we want to divide. They give us examples: 4 sandwiches, 4 pieces of ribbon, 4 pies. Let's go with 4 pizzas. So we're going to have 4 pizzas. Okay? Now it says we're going to split each pizza into groups of 3. So write a story problem where our 4 pizzas divide into 3 using the item that we chose. Divide how is described into thirds, and then ask how many thirds there are. So let's say Miss Lynch has 4 pizzas. If she cuts each pizza into 3 pieces, how many 1/3 sized pieces will she have? Okay, let's go ahead and solve the problem with a diagram. I have 3 pizzas, and each pizza is going to be split into, 4 pizzas. Each pizza is going to be split into 3 pieces. So if I have 4 divided by 1/3, that's going to give me 12 pieces. Let's show that math with keep, change, flip. We're going to keep the 4, change the operation, and flip the 3. So we have 3 over 1. 3 times 4 gives us 12. Great job so far, 5th graders. Let's continue on with our last example. Example 3 has us writing another story problem. This time we're dividing half into 5 pieces. Choose the thing we want to divide. So let's say I have half of a pie. We're going to have dessert. Half of a pie. So I have 1/2 of a pie. Now it says, write your story problem and represent 1/2 divided by 5. Make sure that we're described why it's being split into 5 pieces, and then ask about the size of each piece. So let's say, Miss Lynch has 1/2 of a pie. She wants to share it with her 5 favorite students. How much will each student get? Okay, let's draw a diagram to solve. If I have a whole pie, but I only have half of it, so I'm going to color in just half. Now I'm going to take that half and I'm going to split it into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm taking my half and I'm splitting it into 5. But remember, this is of the whole thing, so I'm going to extend my lines, which means that I would have 10 pieces in the whole. So 1/2 divided by 5 is 1/10. We can show this with keep, change, flip as well. 1/2 stays the same, keep, change the operation, flip. 5 upside down is 1/5. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 5 is 10. 1/10. Great job, 5th graders. It's almost your turn. Today's lesson activity is the share and show problem number 1. Go ahead and complete the lesson activity on your lesson pages and be ready to show your teacher. It says, complete the story problem to represent 3 divided by 1/4. Carmen has a roll of paper that is, we want to use our whole number first. So our whole number is 3. It is 3 feet long. She cuts each piece of paper into pieces that are 1/4 foot long. How many pieces of paper does Carmen have? So remember, we're going to do keep, change, and 1/4 flipped upside down is 4/1. So 4/1. What is my answer going to be? If I have 3 whole things and I split each thing into 4 pieces, how many 1/4 size pieces will I have? Great job so far, 5th graders. See you tomorrow.